Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be creating a speed-controlled conveyor system in Factory I/O, step by step. But before we start, let's take a quick look at one of my previous projects for a little inspiration. Now, let's dive into our new project. First, I'll add a conveyor belt to our workspace. Next, I'll place a pole to mount the control panel, ensuring everything is neat and organized. Once the pole is ready, I'll install the control panel components: a start button, a reset button, and an emergency stop switch. I'll also add an emergency indicator light, a display screen to show conveyor speed, and a potentiometer for speed control. With the hardware in place, let's configure the driver settings. I'll assign inputs for the start, stop, and emergency stop buttons, as well as the potentiometer. Then I'll assign outputs for the conveyor belt operation and all the indicator lights. Finally, I'll link the potentiometer to control the conveyor speed and test the system to ensure everything works as expected. I'll show you how to create the TIA portal logic control, connect it to Factory I/O, and run the project seamlessly. Stay tuned for more.